This 2000 GMC Sierra 1500 is brought to you by A Lot of Used Cars LLC. This 2000 GMC Sierra 1500 pickup truck has a rebuilt automatic transmission. The transmission has a 12-month unlimited miles warranty. The truck runs and drives excellent, ready to go to work today. This is a two-wheel drive long bed pickup, very strong V8 engine and rebuilt automatic transmission. Odometer shows 228k miles, but title says not original miles. Clean title and 2-year emissions. Visit us at alotofussedcarsas.com.